Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add email in contact form in Wix. So we are going to add more than one email addresses in our Wix form, and Wix updated their form layout and design fully. So this is our new method. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page and this is our Wix form. Now go to Wix page and then you see Wix form. So when we click on it, then you see two options, edit form setting. So click on form again you see option. So click on edit form. So Wix updated their form design and layout fully, and then you see edit, preview, setting, submission. So click on setting. So we are going to add more than one email addresses, and after form submission, all email addresses receive form notification with all detail. So we are in general setting. Now you see form name, multiple option, you see confirmation message, and then you see notification and automation. So this is our new option, notification and automation. And then you see create an automation for your form, and then you see create automation. So click on it. So if your form has already automation and that automation not work, so you can delete automation. Your form automation show here, so you can delete it and you can create new. Now you see new automation, so click on it, and then you see pop up, create a new automation. You see multiple option, popular, send instruction, thanks, and then you see get an email when a form is submitted. So we are going to add this. So after form submission, then form notification with all detail sent to multiple email addresses, and then you see setup. So click on it, and then you see trigger, form submitted, action, send an email. So click on it, and then you see send an email. You see all detail here, sender detail. If you want, you can edit it. So click on edit, and then you see sender name, reply to email. So you can add your information and then click on save. Now close, and then you see create an email. Now you see email subject, preview text. Now you see a site visitor just submitted your form. If you want, you can edit it. So click on it. So you can add detail according to requirement. And then you see set email type. So click on it. So we select business critical. And then you see set recipient. So click on it. So we are going to add one email or more than one email addresses. So our form submission sent to multiple email addresses. And then you see select the recipient who will receive this email each time is triggered. Now you see collaborator role. So this is our admin email basically. So if you want to add more collaborator role, so you can add more roles and then select. So collaborator role is admin email basically, and then you see add recipient. So click on it. Now you see multiple option here, and then you see emails from trigger, contacts, collaborator roles, other recipient. Then we are going to check these options first. Collaborator role. So click on it. Now you see we already selected item 1, owner can manage and access all aspects of site including billing. Now you see co-admin, website manager. Now close, and then you see again add recipient. So click on it. Now you see emails from trigger. So click on it. So this is our form email ID. Now close again click on it. Now you see other recipient. So click on it. So this is our business email. Again close, again click on it. So this is our important option, contacts. So click on it. So we are going to create new contact. Now you see create new button. So click on it, and then we are going to add first name, last name, email address. So we added first name, last name, email address. So after form submission, email sent to owner email, and this email we are going to add. So you can add multiple email addresses. So you can create new contact and then add in emails. So we add first name, last name, email, and then click on save. Now you see edit. So you can select from here like this and then click on add. Now you see edit. So when form submission done, then notification sent to collaborator role, admin email, and separate email address contact we added. So form notification sent to 2 email addresses. If you want, you can create new. So click on it. Again click on contact. Then click on create new. So you can add first name, last name, email address, and then click on save. And after that, you can select from here and then click on add. So you can add multiple email addresses. Now we added 2 and then click on apply. Now you see save as draft and then click on activate, and then you see automation is now active. Now go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our form and we are going to add information. So we fill this information in our form and then click on submit. Now you see form is submitted. Thank you. So after form submission, email sent to two addresses, admin owner email and another email address we added. So this is our admin owner email. Now you see our site visitor just submitted your form, contact form on web task, first name, last name, email, message. So this is owner email. Now go to another email address. So this is our another email address. Now you see our site visitor just submitted your form, submission summary, first name, last name, email, form details sent to two email addresses, one owner email and one another email we added using contact. So we are in form automation again. So click on it and then click on edit, click on send an email and then click on set recipients. Now you see we edit. So you can add multiple email addresses. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.